Humans can only focus for a maximum of 4 seconds at a time before their brains automatically switch to something else, a phenomenon known as attentional blink. This is a fundamental aspect of our brain's ability to process information, which has significant implications for productivity and learning. To understand how this works, let's dive into the science behind attention and focus. Our brains have a unique ability to filter out distractions and prioritize certain stimuli over others. This is made possible by the brain's default mode network, which is responsible for our ability to multitask and switch between different mental tasks. However, this network can also be a curse, as it often leads to mind-wandering and decreased productivity. One of the main reasons for this is the way our brains process information. You see, our brains are wired to respond to novelty and excitement, which can be a major distraction when trying to focus. For example, imagine you're trying to study for an exam, but your phone suddenly buzzes with a notification. Your brain automatically switches to the notification, and before you know it, you've spent 20 minutes scrolling through social media. But that's not the strangest part. Research has shown that our brains can actually predict when we're about to receive a notification and prepare for it in advance. This is known as predictive processing, and it's a key aspect of our brain's ability to filter out distractions. However, this can also be a major problem when trying to focus on a single task. To overcome this, many people use techniques such as the Pomodoro technique, which involves working in focused 25-minute increments, followed by a 5-minute break. This can help to reduce mind wandering and increase productivity, as it allows our brains to rest and recharge between tasks. But what about when we need to focus for extended periods of time, such as when working on a complex project? In these situations, it's often helpful to use techniques such as working memory training, which involves practicing mental exercises to improve focus and concentration. For example, you could try reciting a poem or short story to yourself, or solving a complex math problem in your head. These exercises can help to build your working memory and improve your ability to focus for extended periods of time. Another technique that can be helpful is mindfulness meditation, which involves focusing on the present moment and letting go of distractions. This can help to reduce stress and increase focus, as it allows our brains to relax and recharge. Also, many tools and apps available that can help to improve focus and productivity. In addition to these techniques, as it allows our brains to relax and recharge, also many tools and apps available that can help to improve focus and productivity. For example, you could try using a website blocker such as Freedom, which can help to reduce distractions and stay focused on your work. Or you could try using a productivity app such as Todoist, which can help you stay organized and on track. By combining these techniques and tools with a healthy dose of self-discipline and motivation, you can achieve your goals and improve your productivity. In fact, research has shown that by using these techniques and tools, you can increase your productivity by up to 30%. But what about when you're working on a complex project that requires multiple tasks and skills? In these situations, it's often helpful to use a technique such as the Eisenhower matrix, which involves categorizing tasks into 4 quadrants based on their urgency and importance. This can help to prioritize tasks and stay focused on the most important ones. For example, imagine you're working on a project that requires writing a report, conducting research, and presenting to a client. Using the Eisenhower matrix, you would categorize these tasks into 4 quadrants based on their urgency and importance. This would help you prioritize the most important tasks and stay focused on the ones that need to be done first. Another technique that can be helpful is task segmentation, which involves breaking down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces. For example, if you're working on a project that requires writing a report, you would break it down into smaller tasks such as researching, outlining, and writing. This can help to reduce feelings of overwhelm and increase productivity, as it allows you to focus on one task at a time. In addition to these techniques, There are also many tools and apps available that can help to improve focus and productivity. For example, you could try using a task management app such as Trello, which can help you stay organized and on track. Or you could try using a focus-enhancing app such as Stay Focused, which can help you stay focused on your work. By combining these techniques and tools with a healthy dose of self-discipline and motivation, you can achieve your goals and improve your productivity. In fact, research has shown that by using these techniques and tools, you can increase your productivity by up to 50%. So, what are some of the most effective techniques and tools for improving focus and productivity? One of the most effective techniques is the 2-minute rule, which involves doing a task immediately if it can be done in less than 2 minutes. This can help to reduce procrastination and increase productivity, as it allows you to get started on tasks right away. Another effective technique is the 5-second rule, which involves counting down from 5 and taking immediate action on a task. This can help to overcome procrastination and increase productivity, as it allows you to take action right away. In addition to these techniques, there are also many tools and apps available that can help to improve focus and productivity. For example, you could try using a website blocker such as Cold Turkey, which can help to reduce distractions and stay focused on your work. Or you could try using a productivity app such as Rescue Time, which can help you stay on track and avoid procrastination. By combining these techniques and tools with a healthy dose of self-discipline and motivation, you can achieve your goals and improve your productivity. In fact, research has shown that by using these techniques and tools, you can increase your productivity by up to 70%. So, what's the key to achieving these levels of productivity? The key is to find the right combination of techniques and tools that work for you, and to use them consistently. It's also important to remember that productivity is a skill that can be developed over time with practice and patience. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. With consistent effort and practice, you can achieve your goals and improve your productivity. In conclusion, improving focus and productivity requires a combination of techniques and tools, as well as self-discipline and motivation. By using the techniques and tools outlined in this video, you can increase your productivity and achieve your goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these techniques and tools today and see the results for yourself. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on productivity and motivation, and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on productivity and motivation.